Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to build a super fun little tool in C# WinForms that can actually look inside your objects using reflection. We're making a type inspector. You pick an object from a drop-down menu, click a button, and our app instantly shows what type it is, whether it's a class or a value type, and even lists all of its properties. Basically, it's like giving your program X-ray vision. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds, and we'll make it visual, simple, and fun. Let's go. I created a WinForms project and added 3 simple controls, a combo box where we'll load some objects, a button that says Inspect Type, and a list box where the magic results will appear. Nice and clean, right? For our demo we create also a custom class. With name person. Just DOM properties like name and age, that's all. Next, let's load some objects into our combo box. For example, an integer, a string, a DateTime, a double, and even a custom person class with name and age. So the user can just pick one, no typing needed. Now comes the cool part, reflection. When we click our Inspect button, we grab the selected object and call obj. Get type. From that type object, we can read its name, namespace, and check if it's a class or a value type. And if we loop over get properties, we can list all of its properties, like name, age, or year and month for a date, time. Now check this out, when I pick my custom person class, reflection instantly shows its properties, name and age. That's the beauty of reflection, it works on any object at runtime. Pretty awesome, right? And that's it. You just built your own type inspector in WinForms using reflection. Super easy, and now you've got a tool that can peek inside anything in C#. If this video helped you, smash that like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which type you want to inspect next. See you in the next video.